Hey guys, my name is Rashid and welcome to another video of JFY Detailing. In this episode I'm going to show you how to use a spray wax. So a spray wax is very easy to apply, but always read the instructions on the bottle. So how do I use it? I simply get a clean microfiber towel. Just spray the product directly onto the car's paint and buff it off using that microfiber towel. And that's it, guys. So now I'm going to apply it on the second half of the hood. It's a quick and easy way to give your car more gloss and a quick protection layer. So here's a close-up of the hood that we just did. As you can see, it looks pretty good. We have a nice gloss, and the best part, it only took us like a minute or so. Now simply move on to all other parts on your car. I personally use it on painted surfaces as well as my plastic trims. So this is a quick view of what the car looks like after I applied the spray wax. And remember, the whole car took me less than 5 minutes. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. For now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.